Hi there, my name is Oliver and today I want to show you one of the manual decoilers that we currently have in stock at Stanroll forming machines. This decoiler here is DC 51/8. As the name suggests, the width capacity of this machine is 51 inches and the weight it can carry goes up to 8,000 pounds. This decoiler is equipped with a brake system over there which will prevent your coil from free spinning. The brake can be adjusted by 2 bolts on it. The inner diameter of this decoiler ranges from 14 to 25 inches, which makes coil installation quick and simple. Here is how the setup works. If you want to install a metal coil on this decoiler, here are some simple steps that you should follow. First of all, you deattach the brake. After that, use a forklift to lift up the reel and slide it into the coil of metal that you're going to use. After that, you will expand the reel using this hand wrench until it's tight and nice. After that, you just put the reel back on the spot where it was before and reattach the brake on that side of the decoiler.